Please hold on. Don't scroll away just yet. Seriously, this is something you need to see. What you're about to witness isn't just another random animation clip. This is a work of art powered by AI. The dog character? Adorable beyond words. The animation? Smooth, clean, and next-level impressive. The story? Hilarious, relatable, and just hits differently. And here's the twist, I didn't hire a professional animation studio. This entire thing was created using completely free AI tools. So please consider subscribing to the channel. Hit that bell icon. Hop on YouTube and search IDDog7, it'll pop up right away. You'll see 460K subscribers and 73 videos that showcase some of the cutest, funniest, and most entertaining AI-generated dog animations online. Now tap the popular tab at the top. Boom. Look at those numbers. Millions upon millions of views. These aren't random clips, they're high-quality, viral-worthy animations with heart and creativity. Every single video features original dog characters, expressive motion, and storytelling that genuinely connects. You'll find yourself wondering, wait, this was made using free AI tools? Yes, absolutely 100% free. Take a screenshot of the channel right now because this is the future of animation. And today, I'll show you exactly how to create something just like this, step by step. So stay with me. Let's dive in and I'll guide you through how this amazing video was made using tools you can access to even if you're just starting out. Open ChatGPT. Now upload a screenshot of your dog character. Once uploaded, type in this magic phrase. Give me a prompt for this picture in detailed 3D Pixar style. The character must remain consistent across all images. Wait for a moment. Boom. There it is. These aren't generic prompts, they're incredibly detailed Pixar-style descriptions with perfect character consistency. Scene by scene, you'll get adorable animations, precise lighting cues, and descriptions that feel cinematic. Copy the first prompt. That's step 1 done. Let's move to the next part. Head over to Lendaro AI. This is where the Pixar-level visuals start to form. Click on text to image and boom, the generator is ready. Log in with your Gmail, quick and simple. And the best part? You get 150 free credits daily. Paste the prompt you just copied into the text box and hit generate. Wait just a few seconds, it costs 24 credits per image, but each prompt gives you 4 stunning outputs. Boom. Look at that. Pixar style, 3D, vibrant, and ridiculously cute. The lighting, the fur detail, the poses, it all feels like a scene from a movie. Now repeat the process with each prompt. Paste, generate, repeat. Every image gets better, magical results across the board. Now go through each image carefully. Pick your favorites and download them. Just like that, your stunning Pixar-style images are ready. Let's move on. Now it's time to animate. Go to Runway ML, this is the tool that converts your still images into actual moving videos. Open the site and log in using your Gmail. You'll see 3 options, video, image, audio. Click on video, this is where the transformation begins. In the top right corner, you'll get 125 free credits for your Gmail account. Upload your first 3D image from Lendaro AI. Paste in the same prompt you used earlier. Make sure to select a 16:9 aspect ratio for YouTube-friendly formatting. Click generate and wait around 2 minutes. Boom, your first animated clip is ready. The dog is moving. The scene is alive. It feels like a legit Pixar short. Now repeat. Upload image 2, paste the next prompt, generate. Every scene is animated beautifully. You'll see blinking, walking, background movement, it all comes together like a professional film. Go ahead and download each one. Step 3 complete. Time to pull it all together. Let's give our animation a voice. Open ChatGPT again and type. Give me a 30-second voiceover for my AI dog animation video. Wait a few seconds. Boom. There's your script, fun, engaging, and perfectly written. Copy the text. Now go back to Runway ML, but this time choose the audio tab. Paste the script into the box and click generate. Wait a moment. Done. Your voiceover is now fully AI generated with a natural tone. Download the audio file. We're nearly there. Now open CapCut on your PC or phone. Click New Project and begin importing your video clips in the correct order, 1, 2, 3, all the way through. Click on each clip and select the Scale tool. This helps remove any watermarks or branding. Do this for every video. Now hit play, all logos are gone and the result looks clean and polished. Next, go to the audio section and upload the AI voiceover you just created. Match the audio timing with the visuals, adjust slightly if needed for perfect sync. Then head to transitions, add smooth effects between each clip. Whether it's a fade, slide, or blur, your choice. When everything looks perfect, hit export and choose 4K resolution for maximum quality. Boom. It's done. Watch it back. Wow. It's adorable. It's cinematic. It's something you made using free AI tools and it looks absolutely stunning. If you enjoyed that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment telling me which part of the process was your favorite. There's so much more to come, even cooler videos, new characters, and bigger ideas. Thanks for watching. The AI animation revolution starts here.